Hey there, it's Mariana, and I am with Interactive Sports Group and American Gymnast. And with me today, I have the co-owners, Jay and Brad Thornton of this amazing company, and we are going to talk about gym design today. So let's start. I'm a customer. I'm a new customer. I want to start my own gym. I don't know what to do. I don't know what the first step is. Tell me, what do I do?
So when we talk to a customer that's interested in gym design, the first thing we do is interview them about what they want in their gym. What programs do they want? Do they want men's gymnastics, women's gymnastics, cheerleading, rec, preschool, ninja, all the different programs that they want. And then we talk about they have a place already picked out. Most of the time they've already either got a place they're interested in leasing space or they're doing a ground up build. And we'll have the shell of a building. So if they can usually provide us with the shell of a building, then we can start from there and start laying out their dream gym. So maybe we'll let Brad share his screen and we'll show you kind of a sample, just shell of a building that a customer may present us with initially.
Sure. Hold on one second. Here we go.
So a lot of times this can be sent over as a PDF file or a JPEG image. PDF file is preferable. A lot of times you can contact the landlord to get this information sent to you. Brad, are you showing your screen there?
Yes, I am.
Okay. I don't have it in front of me. Let me see. Oh, okay, I see it now. Okay, so you can see a sample layout of a building. So a customer could send this over to us. We talk to them about if they have any equipment existing. Are they an existing gym that has a list of equipment? So we get that list from them. If not, we'll help them create a wish list based on the programs that they want to offer in their facility. Once we do that, we also then talk about pits. It's a big portion of every gym design that we do. What apparatus do they want going into pits? What apparatus do they want going into resi pits? And what apparatus do they want going into airbags? Sometimes they'll have both airbags and loose foam pits in their gym, or one or the other. So those are all questions that we ask in the beginning. So quite a lengthy interview process before Brad really goes to work. So Brad, now you can switch over to a 3D rendering. So Brad uses a program. We have pretty much every gymnastics apparatus and mat, every piece of equipment, all designed to scale. This took years and years of work getting all the apparatus designed. And kudos to Brad for doing that, because he did every single piece that you see in here, plus hundreds and hundreds more. But Brad then goes to work on the gym design, taking into account all the information we learned from the customer as we interviewed them. How do they want their gym segregated? Do they want preschool right when you walk in the door, and then girls team on one side, boys team on the other? Lots of different things to take into account as he's designing a gym. But from there, it's really, for him, it's like a video game. He drags and drops equipment in different places. We take safety into account. It's a big thing that we consider. What's the safe landing areas behind each apparatus, in the pits, underneath the bars. All that is taken into account as he is laying out a customer's dream gym.
Wow. So it sounds like, as far as the communication goes, y'all are there from the very beginning to the very end of the whole process, communicating with your customers, talking with them, tweaking, and just making sure they're getting taken care of and getting exactly what they want.
Yeah. We definitely like to see it as, we want the customer involved as much as possible. So we definitely see it, as back and forth kind of, us providing them with some great options for their facility, and then they may come back and say, hey, we want to look at some other options doing this a little bit different way. So it's definitely a back and forth, and I think that's the best way to do it. But yeah.
Excellent.
Yeah,
well, that
so
makes it easier on the customer to know that you're going to be there during the whole process.
Absolutely. And a vision that we have for a customer might not always be exactly what the customer has in their mind. So that's why it's so important for us to do this for them in 3D, And then a lot of times Brad will either send over images and snapshots kind of during the process, and then we'll get them on a Zoom call just like this and roll through the 3D rendering so they can see every aspect of it, ask questions. We can make changes right there on the fly with them to show them, what different scenarios may look like. And then at the end, Brad will create a final video rendering that shows a fly through of the video. Brad, maybe pull one of those up for us so you can kind of give an idea of what that might look like.
So they get a pretty good indication of what their gym's going to look like without even building.
Right, that's the whole idea. Every aspect, and 3D is so important. Even the ceiling heights and how things may come into play in the ceiling is all super important for the customer. Where the doorway entrances are, and making sure there's not going to be anything interfering with entering or exiting from the gym facility.
Wow. And y'all even went to the specific point of putting posters on the wall. That's awesome. That's really cool. Let me ask you one more question. If I want to add an additional revenue stream of income to my gym, to my existing gym, I know you help with new owners who are opening gyms, existing gym owners, Ninja, Parkour, just to name a few. But what if I want to add something, if I am a gym owner of a gymnastics gym and I want to add a stream of income, what would be my best bet? Where should I go and what should I do?
Most popular thing right now is Ninja. Ninja is booming. I mean, besides gymnastics, if you don't have Ninja in your program, it's a huge opportunity. Kids love it, girls and boys. But it's an exciting way to get boys in the gym now. We've seen over the years, a decline in boys participating in gymnastics. This is a great way to get them back involved in the gym. It can be a feeder program for your gymnastics gym, or there are Ninja competitions now, and boys are seeing that. Obviously, the TV show has grown in popularity, but we design tons and tons of Ninja gyms. We've been a gymnastics company for well over 21 years now, but we do more in Ninja projects than we do in gymnastics projects now. That's how popular Ninja is. So that coupled with Parkour are two huge growing revenue opportunities for gym owners.
Wow, that's incredible. Well, good. Well, that's awesome. You answered all the questions that if I were a new gym owner, I'd want to know how to get started or add to my existing gym. So that was great. And so how can someone contact you? What's the best way to contact you if they want to?
Go to our website, american-gymnast.com. You can contact us through the contact page there. We have live chat during normal business hours. We have a toll-free number that you can contact us at right there on the website. So send us an email or use the contact page, and we'll be happy to help you with your next gym design project.
Great. Thanks, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you.